Hello, good people. I hope you're doing well today. Your host here, Irene, welcoming you back to our YouTube channel. This is Adroit Architecture, your go-to channel for all things architecture, construction, and project management. You guys have been on my case to give you an internal fly-through of the house plans that we feature. Well, today is that day. We shall attempt to do that and take you into this house plan and do a fly-through for you to see the inside of this home. But before we get into the house plan of the day, I want to take a moment and invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We are here every week bringing you great content absolutely free. And the best way you can support us is to hit that subscribe button. A big thank you for those who have already subscribed. We really value your support. Let's get into today's video. Today, we bring to you the Courtyard Contemporary 4-bedroom bungalow house plan. As the name suggests, this is a contemporary home design. It sits in a U-shape, and nestled in that U is a beautiful courtyard where you can set up a cozy outdoor sitting area with lots of privacy. A few key features to note about this home design is the fact that it's, of course, a contemporary design with a courtyard. The courtyard is one of the big highlights of this home design. You also have high ceilings around the dining and the kitchen area, creating an illusion of space. I also like the semi-enclosed carport that comes right to the entrance porch. Those are some of the features I love about this home design. Let's take a tour of this home. You have a semi-enclosed 2-car carport with the entrance porch right next to you. So from your car right to your entrance porch. The entrance porch brings you into a small entrance lobby that filters into the different rooms. We have provided a second entrance into this home. From the carport, you have a side entrance that takes you to the kitchen side porch, where you can enter the house through the laundry and into the kitchen. On one side of the entrance lobby, you have a shared cloak room. This is a great position for the cloak room to give ease of access and privacy to your visitors while still maintaining the privacy of your home. Next to the cloak room, you have a home office. With these days of working from home, this is an absolutely important space where you can work or study for the entire family. Right ahead from the entrance lobby, you have the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen in an open plan setup. The living room is very well sized, providing you with all the space you need for your furniture and movement. The open plan setup provides ease of movement between these three spaces, the living room, the dining, and the kitchen, and that gives an illusion of space and openness. The dining area and the kitchen area have a much higher ceiling, further enhancing the sense of space and openness. The dining area is where you can have all your formal meals, but aside from that, you have a kitchen island with bar-style seats where you can have all your informal meals, and it also provides additional seating area when you are entertaining. Tucked away on one corner of the kitchen is your walk-in pantry, as well as a laundry area. The walk-in pantry gives you all the storage space, and the laundry is well positioned with a door leading to the outside where you can position your outdoor cleaning and clothes drying space. A passageway takes us to the private areas. Here we have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3 on one side. Each one of these bedrooms is perfectly sized for one occupant. You have enough space to set up your bed and a reading table. Each of these bedrooms has its own private bathroom. Right at the end, you have your master bedroom, complete with its own private master bathroom as well as a walk-in closet. On the passageway, you have a set of double doors that take you to the back porch courtyard. This has got to be the highlight of this home. The back porch courtyard is a perfect space for an outdoor sitting area. Envision a place where you can sit, chill, grill, and enjoy some private moments and just enjoy the views of your garden out there. The courtyard has a pergola roof design that would look absolutely stunning with flowers and plants growing all over it. This courtyard can also be accessed from the dining area, where you have a set of double doors leading to the outside. And here is a summary of the floor plan setup. From the carport, you have an entrance porch that brings you into a small entrance lobby. You have the visitors' cloak room and an office. You then have your living room, your dining room, and your kitchen in an open plan setup. You have your walk-in pantry and a laundry room. A passageway takes you to the bedrooms. Here, you have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. Each of these bedrooms has its own private bathroom. You then have your master bedroom with its own private master bathroom and walk-in closet. You have a set of double doors at the passageway and the dining area that take you to the back porch courtyard overlooking your lawn. The plinth dimension of this house, what we call the footprint, is 10.5 meters by 22.6 meters. This house plan has been arranged so beautifully and so compactly that with this dimension, it can fit on a 40 by 80 piece of land. But you will have minimal space left all around it. So if you have more land, the better for you. The Courtyard Contemporary 4-bedroom bungalow house gives you a total of 160 square meters of living space. As at October 2022, the estimated cost of construction for this home is 7.5 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Now keep in mind, this is a flat roof design with large windows, that beautiful courtyard, and of course the semi-enclosed carport. So expect that amount of money to put this house up. So ladies and gentlemen, in summary, that is the Courtyard Contemporary 4-bedroom bungalow house plan. It's an open plan home with 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and a cozy courtyard back porch. As always, we have provided our telephone contacts and our email addresses. If you would like to get in touch with us for this home design or any other design we have featured, we can customize any of our plans to fit within your needs and budget. So get in touch with us and we will sort you out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who may be in need of our services. Thank you for joining me for this video. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye.